Hi there, welcome in. I've been excited to meet you. Well, we, didn't do a normal consultation. We usually do for plastic surgery, but you were very persistent. No, we will still do the surgery for you today, but I do still have to ask you some medical questions that you didn't seem want to answer on the phone. But they are standard, and we do have to ask them prior. Well, we just can't do it without you answering the questions. They're pretty standard medical questions. Okay, thank you. So, as you spoke on the phone, you were very urgent about wanting to come in. Is there any medical issues you've been having lately? I did tell you on the phone if it was urgent, you need to call 911, but you were very persistent that it was surgery that you needed, plastic surgery. Okay. So, no symptoms of anything? Okay. You look in good health. You don't look like anything's wrong. Even just looking at your face, you look very proportionate. I don't see why you would urgently need plastic surgery. No. You are correct. You did prepay quite a lot of money, which is fine. Okay, it's just I want to make sure I'm getting all of this correct about what you want done, and because it seems like you want a full face today, and I'm not sure we can. No, again, yes, we know you paid quite a lot of money, but I'm not sure if I can do that today. Your body could go into shock. A lot of medical things could go wrong if we do it all today. You understand the risk? Okay, we're gonna have to have you sign a waiver for that, because I'm not sure that you do completely understand. I don't even. Okay. So we're talking rhinoplasty, right? So rhinoplasty. Again, your proportions are really good. I'm not really sure what I can do. What do you mean I'll see? Do you have prior scar tissue in there or something something like that? Okay. So you've done plastic surgery before then? All in one day? Okay. No, that's fine. It's good to know. Okay, well, it's good to know that you have done this before, so you know the risk. Okay. Eyelid surgery. Okay. Lip flip. You want your lips bigger, or you want them reshaped? In what way do you want them reshaped? Smaller. Okay. Usually people want bigger lips, but that's fine. I can see about making them smaller. Okay. And what else? Cheek implants and jawline implants. Again, in my professional opinion, you really don't. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah. Sure. No, I can do that for you. Anything else? A brow lift. Brow lift, okay. So, what else? You want a hairline transplant? Unfortunately, I don't do those. You could go for a really cheap to Turkey. No, the country, Turkey. They can do it kind of cheap. I'll write it down for you. Okay. And okay. So I just need, again, a few background things like date of birth, medical history. Okay. Any medical history that I should be aware of? So just no. Okay. Okay. Any medications you're on? Have you ever a history of heart disease, high blood pressure, anything? Okay. Diabetes? No. Okay. Bell's palsy? No. Any autoimmune disorders, Hashimoto's, POTS, anything? Okay. Okay. I mean, it seems like you're set to do all this. You understand everything. You seem pretty clear. Like you're not talking in nonsense. Although you just seem like a very direct person. Sorry, it's supposed to be a joke. Well, I think that's everything for now. So, they also told me, however, you do not want to be put under. Are you sure? This is quite painful. You're having a lot done. And I can't guarantee your body won't go into shock or pass out and then, I can't just stop. Okay, well, that will also be on the waiver, so. Okay, well, let's just lay you down and I guess we can get started. Alright, so just got some gloves on to get started. Last call. Any pain medication? Sedation, are you sure? Okay, no. It's fine. I'm just gonna start by cutting your nose, okay? Just gonna cut your nose. Just hold still. Huh. You're right. There's something kind of weird in your nose. It's not scar tissue. I'm just gonna shine this light. Okay? Let's see. I don't know what that is. Have you had like filler there before or something like that? No. It's just so weird. Don't know what that is. It's like, kind of looks like fatty tissue. I'm just gonna shine the light again. It's like fatty tissue maybe. Or, I don't know. It's kind of yellow green, but also like lumpy. I'm gonna have to scrape that out. Just hold still for me. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Okay. set that aside, and I'll just set that aside and have it looked at later, I guess. Okay. So, your nose. Just reconstructing that. Just putting that back together. I mean, removing that kind of gave it like a whole new shape. Okay. So now we're just gonna move on to doing your eyelids. So just close your eyes for me. Just close your eyes. What is that? I'm just gonna have to get my light again really quickly. I'm just gonna have to flash that in your eye because I don't know what's going on here. Peel back some more layers. Okay, so you did tell me you didn't have any weird medical history, correct? Were you aware you had an eyeball behind your eyeball? I feel like that's something most people would know about themselves. Do you want me to remove that? No. Just, you want me to remove one of them? Okay, let me get my tweezers really quickly, I guess. So hold still. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, yeah. Just gonna put that over there on the tray with the goo from your nose. And I guess save that for later. Okay, let's just hurry up and finish this, right? I think we've been chit-chatting enough, right? Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna fix that, your eyelids back up. Alright, and just so we're clear, you're not feeling any pain, right? Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay. So your eyes look a lot bigger. Especially the one eye where I took out the other eyeball. It looks a lot bigger than the other one. Are you sure you don't want me? You like the look of them being one bigger and the other one's okay? No, that's fine. Totally fine. I understand completely. So, I think we're done. Your lips, your eyes. No worries. Hold still for me. You know, I so forgot. I have something else to do. I don't think I have time to do the implants. No, but I can do them later. Yeah. You can talk to my receptionist after this, and she can, arrange that. Yeah. So I'm just gonna cut off part of your lip. Surprisingly, the lips are good. They look pretty normal, actually. Yeah. Okay, my friend, I think you look like a brand new you. Yeah. Do what now? You want me to stretch your face back as well? Like I said, I don't know if I really have the time. Okay. I can do that real quick. Okay, I'm just gonna cut around your whole face. You know, what's so funny? It looks like they left a pretty big scar around the skin around your face. Kind of like where I'm cutting. It's kind of weird. Have you done that before? Oh, okay. Okay, just hold still for me. I'm just gonna stretch that back for you. You know, kind of looks like it's been stretched out as far as it can go. Yeah, it's not pulling back anymore. What? No, I don't. I don't. I don't put more skin on you here. I don't really know anybody who does that. You do know somebody who does that? Okay, well, good. Okay, well, that's good you know someone. you, you, no, you're so funny. You want my skin? Silly, silly, silly goose. No. You know, like I said, I can still do your implants. Actually, I can cancel my plans. You don't want them anymore? Oh, that's unfortunate. Oh no.